Chapter 5 Editing in Excel 2016. We have already learned about the basics of Microsoft Excel 2016. In this chapter, we will learn how to edit the cell content. Selecting cells. To edit any content, we have to select the cell. Let us learn how to select the cell in a worksheet. Selecting a cell. To select a cell, click on it. It will become the active cell. We can also use the arrow keys to change the active cell. Selecting a row or column. To select a row or column, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer on the row, column, header of the row, column to be selected. Step 2. Click on the row, column header. The entire row, column gets selected. Selecting a range of cells. To select a range of cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the first cell that you want to include in the range. Step 2. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last cell in the range, or drag the mouse from the first cell in the range to the last cell while pressing down the left mouse button. Selecting non-adjacent or random cells. To select non-adjacent or random cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the first cell to be selected. Step 2. Hold down the Control key and click on the other cells to select. Step 3. Release the Control key. All the selected cells will be highlighted. Selecting whole worksheet. To select whole worksheet, click on the Select All triangle at top left corner. Entering date and time. When we enter time in a cell in Excel, the default time format is hours, minutes, seconds, AM, PM. For example, 12:28:35 AM, 6:15:00 PM, etc. Similarly, when we enter 20/6, Excel recognizes it as date and displays 20 June in the cell. To change the format of date and time, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell where you want to edit the date or time. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Number Format dialog box launcher. Step 4. A Format Cells dialog box appears. Select Date option in the Category section. A list of formats is displayed. Choose accordingly and click OK. Editing cell contents. Sometimes after entering text in the cell, we need to edit the text. For this, we can perform the following two options: replacing text and modifying text. Replacing text. To replace the text, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the cell to make it active. Step 2. Type new data. The previous data will be automatically replaced by the new data. Modifying text. To modify or edit the text, follow one of these ways. Click on the cell to make it active and then press the F2 key. Now edit the text. Click on the cell to make it active, then click on the formula bar and edit the text. Double-click on the cell, the cursor appears in the cell. Edit the text. Undo and redo commands. We can reverse or recall almost every action in Excel 2016. By using the undo command, to undo, click on the reverse button in the quick access toolbar. If we click on the arrow on the right side of undo button, we will see a list of actions that we can reverse. We can again reverse or recall back the action done with undo option in Excel by using the redo option. To redo an action, click on the redo button in the quick access toolbar. Copy and move data. We can easily copy and move the contents of a cell, a range of cells, and an entire worksheet. Copy data. To copy the data, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell or cells you want to copy. Step 2. Click on the Copy option in the Clipboard group on the Home tab, or right-click and select Copy option from the context menu. Step 3. Click on the first cell where you want to paste. Step 4. Click on the Paste option in the Clipboard group from the Home tab, or right-click and select Paste option from the context menu. The data will be copied at the new location. Move data. To move data, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells you want to move. Step 2. Click on the Cut option from the Clipboard group on the Home tab, or right-click and select Cut option from the context menu. Step 3. Click on the first cell where you want to move the selected data. Step 4. Click on the Paste option from the Clipboard group from the Home tab, or right-click and select Paste option from the context menu. The data will be moved to the new